111.
Are you attacking Harley? There's Harley licking you. Hmm.
Oh, God.
You stuck? Harley getting her licks in. You and Harley are buddies. Harley's like, I am done. Harley's trying to take off on you, isn't she? What did Daddy say? Don't just jump on her.
Yeah, so you could really hurt her.
Ooh, a pamper butt right in my way. Hi. 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 What are you doing?
I'll see, Mama.
You want to see? It's you. Wait, wait, wait. It's you. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.